to the weekly singing assembly. Hope you've all been keeping busy since last week. Hopefully you've been joining in, singing along with the videos, just here to spread a bit of joy. So first thing when we do our singing, make sure you've got your space, feet flat on the floor. So I could say, oh, your feet flat on the floor. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Okay, everyone can join in. And then you can roll your shoulders, get rid of any of that kind of tension in there. Standing straight, and then you're ready. You could lean forwards a little bit, lean back a little bit to one side. So you're nice and ready, and you are proud. So we might begin by usually dancing along, moving along to a backing track. So this week's one is a bit of a Latin backing track. Probably do a turning that one up. My turn, your turn. La 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 la. Give your bodies a shake off, okay? Make sure you're shaking those shoulders, rolling them, up to your ears, and then fall down. Imagine you're picking up some shopping bags, standing up straight. That's it. Move your legs. Do that lean forward again. Okay, let's step this up a bit. La 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 la. Oh oh oh, la 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 la. Good warm up, everyone. Remember, you can do that to any song you wanted. You don't need me to be leading you through it. But obviously this week we've just gone with a Latin song. Next thing we're going to go through today is a bit of a rhythm. So I want you to get those low sounds, and you're going to go boots. You try it? Boots. Boots and cats. Boots and cats. If you're going with your posh voices. Boots and cats and boots and cats. 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 Second part of that is boom, says the cat, as the cat sits down. Boom, boom, scat, don't be so loud. Boom, says the cat, as the cat sits down. Boom, boom, scat, don't be so loud. Boom, says the cat, as the cat sits down. Boom, boom, scat, don't be so loud. Boom, says the cat, as the cat sits down. Boom, boom, scat, don't be so loud. Boom, says the cat, as the cat sits down. Boom, boom, scat, don't be so loud. Boots and cats and 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 boots and cats. Boom, says the cat, as the cat sits down. Boom, boom, scat, don't be so loud. Boom, says the cat, as the cat sits down. Boom, boom, scat, don't be so loud. Now, if you've got someone else in the house with you, maybe one of them could do the boots and cats, and one could do the boom, says the cat. So you go booms and cats and boots and cats and boom, says the cat, as the cat sits down. Boom, boom, scat, don't be so loud. Put them together, and in future weeks. So if you wanted to put them together, one person could be doing this one. Boots and cats and boots and cats, like this. Boots and cats, boots and cats, boots and cats. And then over the top, you would do the other part, like this. Boom, says the cat, as the cat sits down. Boom, boom, scat, don't be so loud. Boom, says the cat, as the cat sits down. Boom, boom, scat, don't be so loud. Could swap them over. The cat
sits down, boom, boom. Don't
You
be
do
so
boots and
loud.
cats.
Boom, says a cat, sits down, boom, boom. Don't be so loud. Boom,
putting them
says a
together
cat,
sounds
sits
like
down,
this.
boom, boom. Don't be so loud. Boom, says a cat, sits down, boom, boom. Don't be so loud. Boom, says a cat, sits down, boom, boom. Don't be
Then
so
over the
loud.
top, you can
Boom,
create your own
says a
song.
cat, sits down, boom,
I'll leave
boom.
this playing for a bit so you can join in.
Boom, says a cat, sits down, boom, boom. Don't be so loud. Boom, says a cat, sits down, boom, boom. Don't be so loud. Boom, says a cat, sits down, boom, boom. Don't be so loud.
So the song we're going to learn today is a mashup of two kind of gospel hits. So the first one is Swing Low, Sweet Chariot, which you might associate with the England rugby team. And then the second song is Oh When the Saints Go Marching In. So I'm just going to sing through all of them for you, and then we'll teach you the parts. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming forth to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming forth to carry me home. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in, I wanna be in that number. When the saints go marching in. And then we can learn each individual part. So my turn, your turn. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. And then, oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. I want to be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. So let's learn each bit. It goes like this. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Highest note in a piece. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. So do you want to put that all together? Off we go. Lovely singing if you're joining in at home. And then the second song is Oh When the Saints. My turn, your turn. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. I wanna be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Let's put it all together. 1, 2, 3. Well done. So then what I want you to do is practice along with those with the backing track. First time sing Swing Low, second time sing Oh When the Saints, then you'll hear that they merge together and you can sing one and then swap, and then when we get back to school we'll put them together and it's going to sound great, our two-part gospel medley. Thank you and good luck.
Swing low, sweet chariot, coming forth to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming forth to carry me home. Oh, when the saints go marching in, oh, when the saints go marching in, I wanna be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in, oh, when the saints go marching in, oh, when the saints go to carry me in, I wanna be in that chariot. Oh, when the saints go to carry me in, oh, when the saints go marching in, oh, when the saints go to carry me in, I wanna be in that chariot. Oh, when the saints go to marching in.
Right, that's it for this week. Well done for getting through that song. Really good singing. Hopefully see you soon.